Reset device. Power cycle. There are multiple ways to reset your device if you're experiencing issues. The first is to perform a power cycle. To turn the device off, unplug the device from the USB port. To turn the device back on, plug the device back into the USB port. The device will take a moment to power on. Reset device. To reset the AT&T Global Modem device, you must be logged in to the AT&T Manager website. From the AT&T Manager website, click the arrow icon beneath Settings. Click Preferences. Click Restore Factory Defaults, then click Confirm. Factory Reset. If you cannot access the AT&T Wireless Internet Manager website, but need to perform a factory reset, with the device turned on, slide the back cover off. Then use a SIM removal tool or Paperclip to press and hold the reset button for at least 15 seconds to enter factory reset mode. Be sure to hold the button for at least 15 seconds.